We're also getting some breaking news right now. Gujarat government has warned action against those spreading fake news. This comes after a news channel reported that a jewelry showroom was attacked in Gandhidham. Gujarat minister has tweeted, and I quote, "The news of an attack on a showroom in Gandhidham, Kutch is totally fake. This is a motivated attempt to adversely impact the law and order and incite violence in Gujarat. I have asked to register a case and take strict action against those who spread this fake news," unquote. So this is strict action that is being promised by Gujarat government against those who have spread fake news in the name of a false attack on a jewelry showroom. Remember, this news was something that was talked about earlier today, all through the afternoon. And it was proved to be fake very quickly after it was first put out. But of course, given the sensitive nature of what has been shown without verification at all, it can lead to law and order issues, and therefore the government has taken cognizance of it. Priyanka, my colleague, is joining us. Priyanka, any action that has been taken by the police yet?
Absolutely. You know, this was a very irresponsible reporting, in fact, that we can say about by all the channels, because, in fact, we were the first channel who were actually calling the police and cross-checking this rumor that this particular showroom had been attacked in Gandhidham. In fact, the Tanishq showroom is the only one. There's only one showroom of Tanishq in Gandhidham. In fact, that's where they had also asked for an apology to be kept by the owner of the showroom, and that apology had been kept 2 days back. After this, now today, all of these anti-social elements had been spreading these rumors that there has been an attack on this particular showroom, and without any verification, I think almost all the channels had broken this. We were the only one who were actually able to cross-check with the police before doing anything about it, and now the police is saying that this is a systematic rumor mongering that some elements of the society had been trying to do. And that's
yeah, absolutely. We've seen something like this create law and order situation in the past. Priyanka, very quickly, has any action been taken by the police yet? Have they registered any complaint for this fake news mongering?
Well, what we have gotten to know as far as for right now is that Pradeep Singh Jadeja, the Minister of State for Home Affairs, has also said that he has asked the police to register a complaint and carry out a full investigation as to who were these people who were trying to spread these rumors about this particular attack, and and whether or not this was a systematic operation for this kind of rumors to be spread so that there is communal disharmony. And when all the reporters had reached at the showroom, it was very clear that there was absolutely no attack. The owner itself also clarified and said that these are absolutely rumors and fake news that is being spread by several news channels and portals as well. But Pradeep Singh Jadeja, he has said that there will be a full-fledged investigation. There will be a report that will be filed, and the complaint will be filed. And he will also expect a full report from the police officers from the ground in Gandhidham.
Yeah. So what has happened as far as this case is concerned, Priyanka, I want you to stay with us, is that first there was news that there was an attack by a mob. Then there was news, then the same channel reported that it was some sort of a threat that was made, and the so-called apology poster was taken under duress. And then that was again changed to say that some threat calls had received. Nobody had actually come there. So clearly, no facts have been ascertained as far as this piece of news was concerned. But when it was first reported, words like violent attack or violent backlash were used. So, of course, misrepresentation of the highest order. I want to ask you, Priyanka, what is it that the owners of the showroom or the management has said?
Well, we were able to speak to the owner, that is Prakash, who's the owner there in the Tanishq showroom. He has also said that he was actually very surprised when he started getting calls from other people and also from us as the only media channel who was reaching out to him and trying to verify whether or not these rumors were actually true. And he said that he was also surprised that these things were making the rounds when he said that there was absolutely no attack and that everything was as peaceful as it could get in Gandhidham. And that he did hear that there were some people who were trying to spread these rumors of this kind of attack, this kind of systematic rumor mongering was also going on, is what the SP there, the Superintendent of Police there, also told us. And they are now saying that they are gathering all the facts. They're trying to also locate these kind of messages roaming around on social media. all social media platforms are also being scanned to verify whether or who were these people who were spreading these kind of rumors in Gandhidham specifically, because this had happened that 2 days back. There were some people who were upset about the particular advertisement in question, and they had reached out to the owner, but the owner himself had also put out a notice saying that they do not agree with this particular advertisement. And after that, the entire matter had gotten over then. But after that, now 2 days later, we have these kind of rumors wondering that there is an attack on the particular showroom. But the owner has completely denied this. And he has said that he had put the entire matter to bed and there was absolutely no backlash from anyone or any sections of the society. So now what we have is the police investigation going to look into the social media platform and also at the local groups in Gandhidham to make sure whether or not these people were actually systematically trying to spread these kind of rumors and trying to create communal disharmony.
So how was a mob attack completely imagined out of thin air is a big question. And why is it that if this is such a sensitive issue, which actually already, I mean, the cycle of opinions on this or any outrage on this issue, Priyanka, had already died down. And then this report of this fake attack on the showroom came about quite belatedly. And therefore, it can be said that, you know, this could have led to that cycle be extended for no reason. And therefore, the angle of whether there is some malicious attempt behind this needs to be seen.
Oh, absolutely, which is why perhaps it is being taken very seriously by the government of Gujarat, by the Minister of State Home Affairs himself, Pradeep Singh Jadeja. In fact, I think we can put out that tweet where he has said, he has named that particular channel and he has said that this is a attempt at creating rumor mongering and giving fake news by several channels and portals. And that he's also said, very rightly you pointed out that the cycle might be tried to be extended because as the owner also said that he had put the entire matter to bed. And these were just some factions of the society who had come up and they had said that they have taken offense in that particular advertisement. After that, just to make them happy or just to kind of put to bed this entire controversy, he had put out an apology and he had said that they do not support this particular advertisement. In fact, everybody knows that this particular advertisement has also been withdrawn. But after that, these people are trying to spread these kind of rumors saying that there was an attack on this particular showroom. And then, of course, the police now has gotten involved and they're trying to track down who these people exactly were.
Okay. Thank you, Priyanka, for joining us for more on this.